I'm so excited. I finally got my plane. I've been waiting about 5 months. I flew commercial to Tucson, worked on the inspection, then stayed in the area till the strong winds died down. I was able to get 4.5 hours of flight in the local area before ferrying it. Combined with the 7.5 I previously had in the CTLS, I figure I reached some minimum level of skill to fly at home.
Okay, so let's roll, check our steering, and check our brakes.
So this is the first leg of my ferry trip from Arizona to Oregon. It's a 4-hour leg from Tucson through the Phoenix Bravo, up to the edge of Vegas, then turning northeast to Utah. I was on flight following the whole time, which is really helpful. Most of this video is just my conversation with the controllers.
Ryan Ground, flight design 814 Whiskey Bravo with hotel for a north departure, and need flight following on that.
Flight design 814 Whiskey Bravo, say destination.
Destination Kingman, India Golf Mike.
Flight design 4 Whiskey Bravo departure frequency 128.5, squawk 0401.
0401, and that's 128.5, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
And runway 6 right taxi via Bravo 2 left on Bravo, hold runway 33.
Bravo 2 to Bravo, hold short of 33, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Runway 814 Whiskey Bravo, Ryan Tower, runway 6 right, taxi via runway 33, runway 6 right, clear for takeoff, left turn not approved.
Let's get that nose up. There we go. Hold the speed. And there we go, and it flies. Push forward. Gonna go to about 69 and climb out. Ryan Tower, 814 Whiskey Bravo, requesting frequency change.
814 Whiskey Bravo, sorry about that, contact departure.
Thanks for your help, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
You're welcome.
Tucson departure, flight design 814 Whiskey Bravo at 5,000 for 6,500.
Flight design 4 Whiskey Bravo, do you want flight following all the way to Kingman?
Affirmative.
Give me 1 second for a new code. 4 Whiskey Bravo is ready to contact 6 miles north of Crushing on November 4 Whiskey Bravo, squawk 0711.
0711, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
4 Whiskey Bravo is ready to contact 7 northwest of Ryan, Tucson, 3007.
Ferry 814 Whiskey Bravo, turn 10 degrees left after your parachute jump activity. And jump 16, were you dropping over the field?
Affirm, jump 16 over the field.
Albuquerque, jump 5 back up north of the field at 3,000, climb 15000.
Jump 5, you do have traffic about 4 miles south of you, northwestbound, is a flight design 6,500.
And Albuquerque Center, jump 16, sending you
1 o'clock, about 3 miles, going to be turning southbound, climbing to jump aircraft, 3,600 climbing.
If that's for Whiskey Bravo, you're blocked.
Ferry 814 Whiskey Bravo, traffic 1 o'clock, about 4 miles, going to be turning southbound, a jump aircraft leaving 4,000 for a higher.
All right, thanks. I'll be looking. 814 Whiskey Bravo.
And jump 5, maintain at or below 6,000 so you get that traffic in sight. 2 miles south of you, northwestbound, 6,500. 814 Whiskey Bravo, previous call traffic passing up your right-hand side now, and resume on navigation.
Resuming on navigation for Whiskey Bravo.
November 814 Whiskey Bravo, what's your requested final altitude to Kingman?
I'd like to get to 8,500 eventually.
November 814 Whiskey Bravo, roger. Do you want to remain outside of Bravo airspace and go out to the east, or do you want to transition over the top of Sky Harbor and I'll get you 5,500 while you're in Bravo airspace?
I'd like to transition through the Bravo. I can do 5,500, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
November 814 Whiskey Bravo, are you familiar with the west transition?
Affirmative, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
November 814 Whiskey Bravo, clear through Bravo airspace via Firebird Lake. The west transition, maintain 5,500 while in Bravo airspace.
Cleared in the Bravo, descending to 5,500, Firebird, and west transition, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
November 46349, change to the east transition, please.
East transition, 46349.
Number 814 Whiskey Bravo, change to east transition.
East transition, 814 Whiskey Bravo. Oh, let's tighten that up.
It was confidence inspiring to fly through the Phoenix Bravo. I'd done it before, and I'd flown over Phoenix Sky Harbor before. It was nice to be able to say, hey, yes, I know what I'm doing.
Flight design for Whiskey Bravo, maintain 5,500, proceed on course.
5,500, proceed on course, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Flight design for Whiskey Bravo, you may climb your requested altitude.
Climbing to 8,500, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Number 814 Whiskey Bravo, multiple glider aircraft anywhere from about 10 o'clock up to your 1 o'clock. Altitudes I see on them are between 5,000 and 8,500. There's about 6 or 5 of them.
814 Whiskey Bravo is going to track north to avoid them.
4 Whiskey Bravo, roger. Probably from the aircraft I see on radar, about 340 heading, we'll stay away from them.
All right, I'll go to 340, thanks, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Working my way around these gliders, even with the radar controller's help, took a lot of effort. I couldn't fly through the center of the little valley, and I couldn't outclimb them because of the thermals. So I took the riskier route over the mountains rather than staying close to the interstate. I'm glad to have the radar controller's help. I was having trouble spotting them, and they weren't all on ADS-B.
Number 814 Whiskey Bravo, glider aircraft at your 11 o'clock, 7 miles eastbound. Altitude indicates 7,800, recommending about a 20 degrees left. Turn to avoid them or climb up higher.
Yeah, I'll turn 20 degrees left, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
And 4 Whiskey Bravo, turn back to the right. That glider has turned back left. Now he's turned to the north, making a left-hand turn, heading back west.
All right, I'll turn back north at 340, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
4 Whiskey Bravo, roger. Number 4 Whiskey Bravo, that glider is at your 10 o'clock, 3 miles, currently just circling there at 8,100.
Yeah, I'm still looking for him. I'm just going to continue going north to avoid that. So it's close to where he's at, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
4 Whiskey Bravo, roger. Number 4 Whiskey Bravo, traffic's no factor, resume navigation.
Resuming no navigation, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Number 814 Whiskey Bravo, are you guys planning to go 1 Lima 8 today?
814 Whiskey Bravo, affirmative 1 Lima 8, staying east of the Vegas Bravo.
814 Whiskey Bravo, roger. I'll show down your reading. Thank you so much.
Las Vegas, November 814 Whiskey Bravo at 8,500.
Number 814 Whiskey Bravo, Las Vegas, first advise, any altitude change, Los Angeles 3006, you're cleared through the Las Vegas Bravo airspace.
3006, I'm going to remain east of it as well, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Roger.
Number 4 Whiskey Bravo, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles southwest from Boeing 737, leaving 12,000 for 10,000.
Yeah, I've got that traffic in sight, 8 Whiskey Bravo.
4 Whiskey Bravo, what's your intended route of flight here to 1 Lima 8?
Just about to make the right turn here at Blip, 4 Whiskey Bravo.
Roger.
I'd been cruising northwest bound at 8,500 feet for a couple hours, but when I made the turn to go northeast, I was at 9,500 feet. I'd been checking my oxygen saturation all day, and it dropped a bit after I turned and climbed. It had been a long day, so I put on oxygen.
Los Angeles, Lower Sky West 5067 through 7,100, climbing 13,000 on the Higla.
Hollow at 5,000 inbound, landing runway 19, Hurricane. Hurricane traffic, Cherokee 55066, final runway 1, full stop, Hurricane.
Center, November 814 Whiskey Bravo has the runway in sight.
4 Whiskey Bravo, no observed traffic between you and the field. Radar services are terminated. Squawk maintain VFR, please change approved. Good day.
Squawk VFR, thanks for your help, 814 Whiskey Bravo.
Hey.
Hurricane traffic, November 814 Whiskey Golf, 814 Whiskey Bravo is 10 miles southwest, bound to land. Looks like you've been on 01 lately.
And Hurricane traffic, Archer 40993, holding short runway 1 at Alpha 5.
Runway 1, thanks. 814 Whiskey Bravo.
You bet. Winds are about 340 and about 5 to 7 knots. And Hurricane traffic, Archer 40903, we're left crosswind, departing to the west, runway 1. Hurricane.
Hurricane flight design, 814 Whiskey Bravo is just about to come in over the lake, 5 miles out.
And that traffic over the lake will stay north of the Sand Hollow Reservoir, and we'll be southwest bound, so we'll stay on the west side of Sand Hollow.
Thanks for that, 814 Whiskey Bravo. Hurricane traffic, light support 814 Whiskey Bravo, turning final 01, Hurricane.